My name is Amanda Spangler, and I'm a lecturer here in the University of Tennessee's Department of Plant Sciences. I talk to people about plants. I talk to mostly college students in undergraduate courses about all different aspects of the horticulture industry, from just introductory kind of plant sciences topics to more specialized specific information like interior plantscaping or house plants, growing plants inside, or world food and fiber plants, or native plants in the landscape. So basically all the fun classes. So I actually had the amazing opportunity to be an undergraduate intern here at the UT Gardens my freshman and sophomore year, where I was able to directly observe and apply some of the things I was learning in my classes. Then after I graduated, I was the horticulture coordinator for a youth gardening project, and we worked with area schools to help develop gardening programs. And after I finished my graduate studies, I did about a 3-month internship at the Royal Botanic Gardens Kew in London, England, which was completely amazing. They're one of the biggest botanic gardens in the world, and so coming from Knoxville, Tennessee, that was just a completely transformative experience. I was the manager for the Center for Urban Agriculture at the Knoxville Botanical Gardens, so running things like their community garden program, their youth gardening program, a lot of different programs where you're growing food with people. Then after doing that for a few years, I advanced and became the director of horticulture at the Knoxville Botanical Gardens, and that was a lot of fun too. So when I came to orientation here at UT as an incoming freshman, I knew that I wanted to major in plant sciences, but what I didn't realize was that there are a lot of different concentrations or specialized areas that students in plant sciences can focus on. And so when I had trouble deciding, because I really wanted to learn about all of them, the department head at the time suggested that I focus on public horticulture or anything involving people and plants, because public horticulture majors get a little bit of experience in all these different fields, and that way I would get more broad exposure, and if there's something else I was more interested in, I could go off and do that. But what I found was I actually really loved public horticulture because I absolutely love talking to people about plants. So that was what the focus for both my bachelor's and my master's were. And then for my master's degree, still in public horticulture, I did different kinds of survey research and experimental research, studying what impact plants have on student satisfaction. And so that was really fun and exciting too. I'd say probably the biggest assumption people make about my job as a lecturer in plant sciences is that, oh, well, you teach classes, so you're only busy for a few hours a week, and then the rest of your week is easy. And this is honestly, out of everything that I've done, the most demanding, rigorous job I've had. So something that I didn't really appreciate when I was a student was how much time my instructors spend outside of the classroom grading assignments, designing assignments, setting up the amazing field trips and hands-on experiences that I got to enjoy as a student, that I want my students to enjoy too. And that takes a lot of time outside of the classroom. Probably the biggest thing I would recommend to anyone who wants to do anything similar to what I've done is to recognize that you're not in it alone. And one of the reasons why I'm here right now is because so many other people, instructors and employers and mentors, have just connected me with opportunities and helped me flourish as a professional. I think that there's a mindset that, you know, we need to be fiercely independent and we need to know everything and do everything on our own. I have never done that. I am very quick to say, I don't know. That's a great question. Let's talk to this professional who researches this or is an extension professional in that, and work collaboratively to answer your question. And so you can go a lot farther when you work with other people. And I'm very happy because I have always worked with great people.